Hi guys, welcome to a short video about WD-40 head repair. The thing is that this nozzle here, the whole thing can get loose, fall out, or get leaned, or so it doesn't really work anymore. That's a little bit a pain. I mean, I love this WD-40, can be used to protect and clean a lot of things, especially metal, but this thing is not good. So you can just lift it up here from here, and then you have two parts. You can just push the thing out here. The gray part, you can just push it out from here. You have to do that, otherwise you cannot fit the thing here because it's too tight here. But you have to make sure the yellow thing comes to the top, and now we have to work a little bit on that. I mean, we can usually open this thing a little bit here, these brackets a little bit. That's usually possible to a certain degree to make this thing fit inside. So that's usually working without damaging the things too much. But after that, we'll need a screwdriver. Just make sure that you're on the right side, otherwise you have to repeat the whole thing. Now you have to push here, and you have to lift this bracket here from the inside with the screwdriver. It's a little bit a pain, but it works. Maybe it's better to have a little bit a larger screwdriver, but really we have to work and push, and to make sure that one of these tips here, one of these axles, I mean the center axle, is going to be inside, and the other one here has to come here in this area, and we have to make sure that it's not too much damage. That's the difficult part here, because it's so cheaply made. Yeah, I think I have the one now here inside, so let's work on the other side as well. So again, lift the whole thing up and then push to the inside, and I think we are inside more or less. Make sure that most of it is inside, even though it's a little bit damaged. It should be possible to still use it. You can see we can go up and down here, also up and down, and everything stays in place. Yeah, yellow tip on the top because that's the sprayer nozzle, and that's the inside here. Yeah, the thing, it has to go, the WD-40 has to go through the whole thing here, and then go into this hole here, and then spray outside, or alternatively like this, and then spray straight. And after that, it's very easy to just push it inside again. Just push it down, and then put it back on the WD-40. The best is of course when you're outside, not doing this inside, because when you push it a little bit down, it can release a little bit of the WD-40. Maybe you also want to try this thing out, but here looks like we are back on track. Here we can move it around and use the spray nozzle again. Of course it has been a little bit suffering, but I think when we are careful we can use the rest of the things inside. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.